How about other Ethan?
I didn't know that there was like an in-person stock trading. I thought everything was just online.
Well, everything's online now,
I
but
thought it
back then,
always like was when stocks existed.
yeah, stocks existed for a long time. It wasn't really called stocks. It was just called shares in a company. But they didn't have the like word stocks until a bit later. Because shares in a company, it sounds like the word share because it's made from the word share. Like we're sharing a bit of the company with you in exchange for some of your money. So, yep, it's very good. And so we need to have some of that in mind when we invest too, because if we want to make money off of investing, we got to know how investing works and where it's from. Just like if you want to know math, you got to know how it works, which some people don't know. And so I probably don't know. Well, I do know how it works. I know that you're not supposed to invest in a bear market, but I did it anyway, and you can see how well that turned out. It kind of dropped. Still better than the S&P. So how is everybody else's stock doing? Is the stock that you're looking at going up or down? Let's start with Sean again.
Um, I'm not sure actually. I haven't checked that stock today.
It's all right. Well, it's still the weekend, so Investopedia shouldn't make your trade go through yet, but just take a look at your stock and see how much money you would have made if you had invested in it. And also, which stocks are you looking at? Or stock?
Still Power Bridge. It's still going up.
That's good, I guess.
Yeah.
And I remember we took a look at it and we thought that it might continue. So keep it up. And you might just invest in it with real money in the future one day. Though I don't advise it until you have a great grasp on how it works, but investing is a way to make money. Like a lot of money. How about Alvin? I'm going in the same order because that's the way you guys are spaced out on my screen. Alvin?
Wow, I can see it on your screen. You're screen sharing your screen.
Yeah, I'm screen sharing my screen. It's like Sean's left. Sean's always to the left. I'm just going this way.
So I decided to look at Tesla because apparently it once had a stock price of 696 point.
0.69. Yeah, we saw that. So
Yeah.
yeah,
So
I took a look at it too. I invested in it and it's losing money. And that's why I switched to shorting it, but it's over the weekend, so I'm losing even more money.
Amazing.
Also, you're the one who discovered it, right? If I remember correctly. Nice. Sorry, allergies. Ethan W.
I haven't checked it.
Haven't checked it? You should check it right now, and I guess give us an update in the chat. But which stock are you looking at?
Google.
Google. I've been looking at Google. Wait, let's take a look at it right now. So as you can see, I was investing in Google and Tesla. So let's take a look at Google. Goog. So this is the 1 month chart. Yep, just as the bear market is going. Not too well. There. We can see how there's like a very flat line with some ups and downs here. And I don't remember what that's called, to be honest. But I know it is indicative of something. I forget. You guys could probably look it up and be like a better than I am. Though it probably means like a big turning point, and it's not looking good. It's not a good looking turning point because right now it's a bear market, as I said before, and it'll just probably go down from here. So, yeah, it's not a good stock to go long on, but if you want to short it, go ahead. It's a good chance. What about the other Ethan?
Apple.
Apple. Oh, that's interesting. Let's take a look at that. Apple. So same thing, 1 month chart, bars. Ooh. Yep, it's beginning the downward slope. So if you're thinking about going long on it, just like I said before with Google, you should probably like short it because shorting it would probably be good. Even though shorting it does have a bit of a risk, shorting is probably the best scenario if you had to choose. So go for it because you don't have anything to lose except for, I guess, your ranking, but your ranking is literally number one. I mean, tied with 5 other people. 5 other people, yeah. And so, yeah, just put in those trades and it should go in on Monday. And you guys will be able to either like lose or gain money. Also, I recommend using bars over line because you see in this line, it doesn't look like it doesn't look that bad. But if you take a look, ooh, there's 3 red candles over here. I should probably not buy it. So I guess it's just kind of color coded for me because I'm a little colorblind. This gives me like a little something to look at. So bars also tell you like what the highs and the lows were. This thing doesn't tell you that. I don't really like hollow candles because kind of hard to see. And I don't know what that is. I guess it just provides a little bit more gradient on the bottom. And I don't know what this is. So I recommend bars. All right, looks like it's 8:31. You guys can stay and I can answer some more of your questions. But you guys are free to go. I hope to see you guys in my next class. So on the junior coach, please keep an eye out on my profile. And just every class that I have, please drop in. So if you have any questions, go right ahead. Otherwise, you can leave.
Bye.
Bye.